Okay, bro, I'm just starting up the laptop. It's working nicely. It's got a nice battery. The battery is a new one. I just placed it in, and there's no fault with it. Everything is working okay. No problem with hinges. The keyboard is nice. It's okay, and I'm got something alright. It has Intel inside here. Intel. Yeah, you can see it. Intel inside. And the only problem with it is I don't have a charger for the laptop. And if you can make a good deal with someone that we know of, I need a 15.6 tablet screen. We can just exchange with this HP 250 G7 laptop, yeah? May give him like sim OnePlus screen. I don't care the value of that laptop or whatever, but I just need the screen. The screen is important to me. I I have a high-end laptop here. I need to put a tablet screen inside, so I need it. For this one, I can give it away for a tablet screen. If you can find one person that we can deal with and um, get a good deal running, we can exchange one time, huh? One stuff. But me to start up, so when him come now because you try to reprogram him or do whatever you want to do with it. But I just need the tablet screen, yeah. Yeah. Mm. Oh, taking quite some time to start up. Anyway, it's starting up here. Yeah, good one, bro. I'm start finishing. You talk to Misali Pixar, so Misali Pixar kami. No. It's a good one. The skin cover, everything is good. There's no scratches, no dents or whatever.